In your Office 365 account, open Excel. Once there, go to New Blank Workbook. From here, all you need to do is click on Insert at the top and choose Forms, New Form. Once there, go ahead and create your form. I added a few questions. I'm going to change my title. And now I'm ready to go. When I click on the preview button, I can actually answer a couple of these questions. And hit submit. I'll submit another response. Submit. Now when I go back to my Excel, the new answer appears and will continue to update.